the two coordinates. Can you please shut the door on the question? x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Distance between the two coordinates. Now I am telling you many clues. How to find the distance is this formula. How to tell that these points, there are 3 points given, 3 coordinates, that they lie on a line. There are ways, they can ask you different style. See, these are 3 points. And if they ask you, are these 3 points collinear or they lie on a straight line? Straight may be लिख सकते हैं, they lie on a line. Obviously, line has to be straight. They are collinear, it means the same. You have to find the 3 distance. What 3 distance would it be? AB, BC and AC. ठीक है? क्या करेंगे इसमें? AB plus BC should come equal to AC. AB plus BC is equal to AC. It can be also like this. AC plus CB is equal to AB. Not necessarily कि B बीच में हो. It can have either C inside or like this. BA plus AC is equal to BC. जरूरी नहीं है कि AB plus BC AC. Adding 2 points, adding 2 distances, not points, adding 2 distances gives you the third distance. If you add 2 distance, it gives you the third one. It could be any 2. That means they lie on a line. Am I clear? Then prove that the vertices are of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? If 2 sides are equal. Okay? If 2 sides are equal, that means the vertices are of isosceles triangle. If 3 sides are equal, then vertices are of equilateral. If none distance is equal, then it is a scalar. Isosceles, equilateral, scalar. If square of one side is equal to sum of squares of other 2 sides, and if it satisfies Pythagoras, it is a right triangle. How to check these are the vertices of rhombus? If 4 vertices are given to you, and you have to find out whether these are the vertices of a rhombus or not. What properties does rhombus have? All 4 sides equal. But all 4 sides are equal of square as well. Then what is the difference between the 2? Diagonals of rhombus are unequal and diagonals of square are equal. So if all 4 sides are equal and diagonals are unequal, it's a rhombus. If all 4 sides are equal and diagonals are equal, it is a square. If opposite 2 sides are equal and diagonals are unequal, it is a parallelogram. And if opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal, it is a rectangle. These are the several ways to, and if nothing is equal, it is not a special parallelogram. कुछ और मतलब at random all distances. So it is not a special type of parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral. Like this. ये क्या shape हुई? ट्रेपेजियम में ये क्या होना चाहिए? पैरेलल होना चाहिए और इक्वालिटी का तो कुछ नहीं. ट्रेपेजियम पे चेक करने का कोऑर्डिनेट्स बटन पे कुछ नहीं है. So it lies on a line. It is a scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. It can be a square, rhombus, rectangle or parallelogram. But in every type, and I told you, abscissa का difference लेना है. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप पहले कौन सा point ले रहे हो. Like if it is something like this and this. So it is not necessary you take -1 -3 whole square. You can take 3 minus of -1 because eventually तो इसका square होगा. अगर कोई distance 4 आ रहा है, suppose ऐसे करें, -1 -3 whole square plus 2 -4 whole square और ऊपर क्या है इसके distance root -4 square 16 -2 square 4, it is √20 and √20 is 4 into 5 which is 2. If I take opposite x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, 3 plus 1 4, 4 square is what 16, 2 square is what? 4. Aya root 20? Root 20 means what? 2 root 5. So it hardly matters if this is x1 or this is x2 or it is the opposite. इसका कोई फिक्र करने वाली बात नहीं. ठीक है जी? Anything else? The basics are clear. So the first question of exercise is, I don't think this is all done yesterday only. So you need to write anything about it. आप लोग ना थोड़ा थोड़ा साथ साथ लिखते रहिए, ज़्यादा ध्यान समझने पे ज़्यादा, लिखने पे कम, बट थोड़ा थोड़ा, बिकॉज उससे काम बहुत कम हो पाता है अगर मैं बिल्कुल ना अलाउ करूँ. और आप लोग सीनियर क्लास है आपकी, कोई बच्चे तो है नहीं कि आप साथ साथ समझ नहीं सकते, बट ये नहीं कि पूरा ध्यान लिखने में इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है एंड यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग एनीथिंग. जस्ट पे अटेंशन मोर. आई गिव टाइम टू राइट बट नॉट दैट मच एज आई यूजुअली. सो दिस इज द डिस्टेंस x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square. Find the distance between the 2 points 2, 3, 4, 1. So distance, whenever you are attempting, please write the formula first. Don't directly use the values. That's the way to write in exams. You need to write the formula, whatever you are using. It has to be x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. See, tell the distance. 2 minus 4 whole square, 3 minus 1 whole square. Correct? What is it? Minus 2 square plus 2 square. 4 plus 4 is what? Root 8. 8 is what? 4 into 2. Which is what? 2 root 2. And what do we have to write here? Yes. Right? Units means it could be centimeter, meter, millimeter, whatever it could, but the scale has to be given. Second part. The distance between minus 5, 7, minus 1. x1. Again, please repeat the formula. And when you are writing your notes, do write it. When you will write it here again and again, you will be, confirmed, you will be signaled in your mind that you have to write. If you stop writing, you will not write in your exams also. So whatever you do here, hand it over to x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square. x1 minus, see, 2 minus 1 minus of the formula and 1 minus of the x2 coordinates. समझ रहे मेरी बात? Are you understanding what I am saying? Why I have put 2 minus? Minus 5 plus 1 whole square, 7 minus 3 whole square. ठीक? Okay? It would be minus 4 square plus 4 square. Right? It would be 16 plus 16. Root 32. And root 32 is 16 into 2. See, if I write root 32 as, there are several ways. 2 into 16 is one of them. 4 into 8. 4 into 8 भी हो सकता है. पहले 8 को फिर स्प्लिट करना पड़ेगा. तो लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो वो लेना चाहिए. इसमें लार्जेस्ट कौन सा होगा? परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. 4, 8 के फिर पार्ट्स करने पड़ेंगे. अगर आपको ऐसे मुश्किल लगता है तो 32 के 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 टाइम्स और 4 का पेयर बन के बाहर आ जाएगा. ये क्या आएगा? 4 root 2 units. I hope I'm clear. How do you write this? It is clear. Otherwise, if you are not very aware of this, very not comfortable with this, write it. Write factorization. 2 and 2 will make 4 and it will be 4 root 2. If you are not very comfortable with this, right? वैसे तो हमने लास्ट ईयर हेरल्स में ऐसे बहुत सब किए, बड़े बड़े नंबर्स भी ब्रेक कर दिए थे. नेक्स्ट इज सी पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट. ए बी माइनस ए माइनस बी. What distance it would be? x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square. A plus A, 2A. B plus B, 2A. 2 minus will add up to make it plus. They will merge. What is 2A square? 4A square. What is 2B square? 4B square. 4 out of the root and it will move out of the bracket. 2A square under root A square plus B square. Here I have to tell you something. That if, like some people think, जैसे अब ये है 4 under root A square plus B square. 4 का root 2, A square का root A और B square का root. This is wrong. Plus है ये. अगर कहीं पर ऐसे लिखा हो 4 square plus 2 square, can you write it 4 plus 2? It's absolutely wrong step. अगर कुछ ऐसी situation हो 4A plus B whole square, 4 का root क्या हो जाएगा? 2. A plus B whole square का root क्या हो जाएगा? A plus B. Am I clear? समझ आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? So ये वाला step A square plus B square, अगर कहीं पर ऐसा है, different situations आप face करेंगे, तो this is not equal to A plus B. This is also not equal to A minus B. But if it's something like this, A square into B square, you can write it as A. Did you get my point? उसको आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं. और product है, इसका अलग रूट और ये. And if it is something like this, A square upon B square, even this can be written as A. But when it is sum or difference, you cannot merge it with the root. Are these 4 steps clear? Take care of these basics whenever you calculate. Whenever you face some situation, plus or minus में नहीं आप ऐसा कर सकते, but multiply or divide में कर सकते हैं. Next is question number 2. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 50. Not a big deal. Such a simple thing. एक तो origin ही है. What is the distance? x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus 1. Anybody remembers the square of 36? 1296. आपको तो करके देखना. अब ये नहीं कर सकते आप 36 का स्क्वायर उसके ऊपर रूट है, सम है बीच में. Remember these 4 and you will note them down. 36 square is minus 36 square. Minus 36 into minus 36. It is 1296. Minus 15 square तो याद होगा 225. And when you add up, it would be 1521 units. Now, is it a perfect square? Square root. Is there anyone sitting here who doesn't know how to find the square root by long division? Prime factorization सबको ही आती होती है. Long division is a problem for few. Just check it out. We make the pairs. What do we do here? We make the pairs starting from the right side. See. And you have to use the same digit here. 4 4s are 16 is bigger. 3 3s are 9. These two numbers have to be same. अब ये आ गया और आपका ये तो everybody knows this. Prime factorization. 3 5s and when you are picking 2 digits you put 0. 3 1s are 3. I could have written straight away 39 here because I remember the square roots. But if there is anyone who doesn't know, उसके लिए तो ये useless है. कैसे निकालें? There are people who must not be knowing. 3 1s are 320, 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 13 13s are and 13 1s are. So make pairs. So what is it? 3 into 13 is what? 39 units. Correct? 3 3s are 9. 6. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. You have to add these. Again the second digit you have to use has to be same. Please understand the difference when you have to write and when you have to listen. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको टाइम नहीं दिया जाएगा बाद में. but please pay more attention on understanding. Same digit here. When will you get 1 here? 61 into 61, 69. स्क्वायर में 1 तब आता है जब उसका यूनिट डिजिट 1 और 9, इससे नहीं आएगा. 9 से 69 nines are, sorry, you don't have to use 69, दोनों थोड़ी यूज करते हैं. This digit has to be same as this, right? 8, 54 and 80, 60. Am I clear? If you don't know this method, it is okay to use this. But sometimes this does not work. मतलब pairs नहीं बनते. इसमें ये है कुछ रिमाइंडर बच जाएगा, आपको पता चल जाएगा. It's not a perfect square. Totally your choice. Root of square root 1521 is 39 units. चाहे आप उसको लॉन्ग डिवीजन से कीजिए, चाहे आप उसे इससे. Do you want this or I should rub it? Here up this. Question number 3. Determine if 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2 -11 are collinear. Again, I told you this in the beginning only. How to check that the points are collinear? The sum of distances between the first two. I mean, if this is A, B, C, you have to find AB, then you have to find BC, and then you have to find C. What is AB? Okay. x1 minus x2 whole square, 1 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 3 whole square, minus 1 square plus 2 square. What is it? Root 5 units. Can anyone tell me BC? You tell me, Rudrakshi, how to find BC? 2, इसमें 2 बार माइनस, इन दोनों में पॉजिटिव है. फर्स्ट 2 निकाला है, अब आएगा 2 बार माइनस. BC, हाँ जी रुद्राक्ष, माइनस माइनस होल स्क्वायर प्लस B minus minus 11. So what is it? Plus, it will be merged. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 square. 3 plus 11 would be 14 square. What is 4 square? 16 and 196. 212. Right? 212 के factors क्या होंगे? 453. 4 5s are 20. 1 carry 12. 4 2 root 53 units. Root 53, 2 root 53 and root 5. CA. Yes, Dia, CA.
2 minus minus 2.
Beta, I'm asking CA. You are telling me CB.
Minus 2 minus 2.
Yes. Or like this, right? You can use minus 2 minus 1 whole square or 1. That's totally okay. Then
Minus
5 minus 11 whole square. Minus 11 minus 5 or 5 minus. What is it? To be merged. So 1 plus 2 is what? 3 square. And this is what? 16 square. 9 plus 256. It would be 265. Correct? 265. 5 5s are 25. Both are prime. कोई भी perfect square नहीं, कुछ भी बाहर नहीं आ रहा. कोई distance add. After adding 2, you get third. Addition ही possible नहीं. Numbers देखो. एक entry है तो ये तो फायदा ही नहीं है, इसका क्योंकि कोई बाहर ही नहीं है. एक entry है root 5. ठीक है जी? और एक entry है 2 root 53. Even if you write like this, 212, and the third entry is रूट्स में सुबह एडिशन ही नहीं होता, ऐसे होता है कभी? √3 + √5, कैन यू राइट इट √8? ऐसा तो कुछ प्रोविजन है ही। हाँ, अगर कोई डिस्टेंस ऐसे आ जाता है, इसमें एक आ जाता √5, दूसरा आ जाता 3√5 और फिर आ जाता 2√5। इफ यू ऐड दीज टू यू गेट दिस, या एक आ जाता 5√5, यू ऐड दीज टू एंड यू गेट दिस, है ना? बट ऐसे कोई पॉइंट्स नहीं आया जिनमें हम एडिशन करके थर्ड पॉइंट ला सके। कोई डिस्टेंस एडिंग टू डिस्टेंसेस, एडिशन ही नहीं हो रही, प्रॉपर्टी लगना तो दूर की बात है, ऐड ही नहीं हो पा रही, सब अलग अलग है। सो दे या दीज पॉइंट्स डू नॉट lie on a line। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन देखिए, you have to check these are the vertices of isosceles triangle. How to check that? You will find the three distances AB, BC and CA. In case these points, these 3 points, 3 vertices will have 2 equal sides, yes, then it is an isosceles triangle. So I can expect you to finish question 4. Please start.